Welcome to HueFin News. Today is November the 1st, 2017, and this is our daily cryptocurrency market analysis. It's our purpose to give you guys news according to the charts, and we are not investment advisors, nor are we giving you guys investment advice, but rather our analysis thus far has been very accurate in terms of the cryptocurrency market. We have long said that the altcoins are trading sideways to even lower, while Bitcoin is the only one in an uptrend. And we got more of that confirmation today in the market for the cryptocurrencies. So you guys can still see, even though the majority of these cryptocurrencies ended the day lower, the market cap increased around $4 billion and now stands at $186.3 billion. And yesterday it was at $182 billion. So the majority of the altcoins today closed lower. Then where did the majority of this increase in market cap come from? And it's only one or a couple of more that has connection to Bitcoin. So anything that's related or even connected to Bitcoin ended the day higher. And what I mean by connect, I'm talking about like due to a hard fork or something like that. So you guys can see that Bitcoin is up almost 5%. Market cap is now at $112 billion. I think yesterday it was like at 101. So now you guys can definitely see that Bitcoin is gaining momentum into the minds of the global economic force, and it will be a cryptocurrency or asset one day that all people will have some dealings with in the future. So guys, look at Ethereum down 5%. So we analyzed that as well. Bitcoin Cash is up 21.97%. Now this is one that no one analyzed or even predicted that Bitcoin Cash will be going that high. Our analysis just wanted it to go up to about $460, and instead is trading on this website $536. So you guys can see that Ripple down 3%, Litecoin down 4%, Dash down 3%, BitConnect also connected to Bitcoin is also up 5%. Neo almost down 6%, NAM down almost 10%, Monero 3%, IOTA 5%, Ethereum Classic 3.5%. So if you guys can look at the charts here on the right, the only couple of ones that's going up are Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and BitConnect. Everything else is giving us a very sharp down move today in the market. So if you guys have been paying attention to our analysis, you guys could have been exited out the market if you were in some of these altcoins and placed some of your funds into Bitcoin, because we always have previously in our video have said that Bitcoin will continue to be make higher highs, and that is exactly what is going on. So now let's check out and see what is happening in the cryptocurrency market. So Bitcoin is up 5.84%. Last trade was at $6,789.80. So we're looking at the daily price chart, meaning that each bar is a day's worth of trading, and today's bar has given us another precursor of strength. So Bitcoin is still geared to make higher highs, and it just made one currently as we're doing this video. Is made higher high right now, but the strength of this particular bar is telling us that it's going to be making higher highs than where it's currently is being traded right now. We also have the volume here telling us the market participants are still trying to push Bitcoin higher. So that is going to be our analysis for Bitcoin, is for them to continue to move higher. So next is going to be Ethereum. So Ethereum is down 4.31%. Last trade was at $290.54. So we got a push to go down bar today from that precursors of weakness that we said on our video yesterday. And we have confirmation today that the market was going to be moving lower. We got this push to go down bar, and it came right around that 290 that we mentioned in our video yesterday. Given the amount of volume and the widespread down tells us that Ethereum may even come all the way down to $290. So that will be our analysis for Ethereum, for them to at least come to 290. Or if the buyers find this particular area attractive, as they have been over the last couple of trading days to last couple of weeks, you guys can see how the market came and bounced and closed higher and moved higher. That can also happen on tomorrow for Ethereum. But given this particular bar, it's a precursors of weakness, and we will be expecting them to continue to move lower, and we're looking for 280 to be that first area for Ethereum to come and touch. Now, don't want to say this, but you need to keep this in your particular strategy, that Ethereum can come all the way back down to $260. So it's a long way from now, but given that we have all these precursors of weakness in the background, that you need to start seeing it in your vision that 260 could be a spot for Ethereum to come and touch, or at least the low that occurred on the 23rd of October, which was $273. So that's our analysis. So onward to Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is up 19.91%. Last trade was at $521.02 in one day, up 19%. That is phenomenal for Bitcoin Cash, because you guys can see over the last couple of weeks it has just been trading here within a range, and then we finally caught it to where our videos from the 24th all the way to now, we have been saying that Bitcoin Cash should be moving higher, and we are continuing to see Bitcoin Cash move higher. Now I got to zoom out a little bit so I can see where Bitcoin Cash should be trading now. So Bitcoin Cash finally made it back up here from the lows that occurred on the 29th of August. Now we need for Bitcoin Cash to stay right above that $520 area. If it can do that, then it will be moving higher. If it does not, then you can expect it to come back down to $480. So that will be our analysis for Bitcoin Cash, is for them to maybe come, they're going to trade sideways, for them to come to $480. If not, expect them to move higher, and our first spot is going to be 560 for Bitcoin Cash to come and trade. And after 560, then $600 is going to be our next area that we're looking at for Bitcoin Cash to be coming and touching. Now if Bitcoin continues to move higher, then we also expect Bitcoin Cash to be moving higher as well. So now we are going to go to Ripple. So Ripple is down they're at 19 cents, down 3.61%. So we finally got an idea of where Ripple is going to be trading. The market has just been trading sideways, and it was our presumption, because when we did our video yesterday, the bar did not look like this. It looked like a trial run bar. If we would have saw this bar yesterday when we did our video, then we would have definitely said that Ripple would be moving lower. But we did not get that opportunity. So we are going to continue to say that Ripple is going to be moving lower, and we're going to see from the lows that occurred on 23rd and 24th of October for Ripple to come and touch. That is the next area for Ripple. Now, if there's strength still in the market for Ripple, then it could come back to the highs that occurred on the 26th of September. So keep that also in your mind for Ripple. It could come back to these lows also that occurred on the 28th and 29th of October. So that's our analysis for them to possibly come back up here or come down to the lows that occurred on the 23rd and the 24th of October. So pretty much we're expecting Ripple to move sideways to lower. So now we're looking at Litecoin. So Litecoin is down 4.45%. Last trade was at $52.95. So we told you on our video yesterday that we're expecting Litecoin to move lower. And if the market was overly weak, this is what we said yesterday, that expected to come to $52. And look how close the market came today. So given the analysis that we have now, this is a precursor of weakness, push to go down bar. So now with the next area we're looking for Litecoin to come would be to the lows that occurred on the 23rd of October, which was $51.17. It might come there and then bounce higher from that point. If not, if we get another push to go down bar, then $48. No, I'm not going to say 48. I'm going to say the low that occurred on the 5th of October, which was $50.12. will be the next area that we're looking for Litecoin to come and trade. So one thing I want you guys to pay attention to for this particular cryptocurrency is that today Litecoin has broken through our support / resistance line that we've drawn, as well as this ascending support line that we've drawn. So if I push this out, you guys can see that Litecoin is not trading there anymore. It actually is now definitely broke through that ascending support line, which gives us more inclination to say that Litecoin will be trading sideways to lower. Again, it might trade sideways tomorrow, but overall, Litecoin is giving us precursors of weakness. And that first area is to the lows that occurred on the 23rd of October, which was $51.17. And if the market is still weak, then to the lows that occurred here on the 5th of October, which was $50.12. So that is where we're expecting Litecoin to be traded. Now we're going to go to Dash. Dash is down 1.97%. Last trade was at $269.25. All these cryptos are trading lower, and is not coming as no surprise to us here at this channel. Dash gave us a push to go down bar yesterday and another one today, and until we get a precursors of strength, then expect Dash to continue to move lower, and we're expecting it to come to 260. And it might do just like what occurred on these two trading days, the 28th and the 22nd of October, where it came and bounced and moved higher. It might do that again on tomorrow, so expect that to occur for Dash, because there's no other area for Dash to come and touch. So we're expecting them to at least come to 260. Now let's go to Neo. So Neo is down 6.45%. Last trade was at $26.19 or 17 cents. And we told you, due to this major precursors of weakness bar, that Neo was going to be moving lower, and we was expecting them to come to $26, and it's almost there now. So our analysis for them still holds. Now, if Neo cannot stay above $26, expect it to come to the low that occurred on the 26th of September, because there's no other indicators or location on this particular chart to show us that NEO will be able to hold its ground. So if $26 does not hold, then expect it to come to $24 and around $24. The volume, as you can tell, is decreasing. So maybe NEO might hold $26. If so, that would be a great sign for NEO. If not, then $24 is in the cards. And if NEO is going to hold around that $26 mark, the bar that we would need to see is like a trial run bar, okay, or a push to go up bar. We will need to see that occur. If not, then it will go to $24. So now let's go to Ethereum Classic. So Ethereum Classic is down 2.60%. Last trade was at $10.17. All of these altcoins are giving us precursors of weakness. So our analysis for them is for them to continue to move lower, and we're looking for Ethereum Classic to at least come to the low that occurred on 28th, which was $9.90. If lower than that, then expect it to come to the lows that occurred on 23rd and the 24th of October, which was around $9.60. So that's like an extra 30 cents for Ethereum Classic to be trading. So the last one for the day is going to be Monero. So Monero is down 3.24%. Last trade was at $84.21. So we have Monero and NEO out of all the cryptocurrencies, altcoins that move lower in our analysis. They are the ones who are kind of hesitant into breaking through their support area. Okay, so I just want to give you guys that heads up as well if you guys are in those particular cryptocurrencies, meaning that they are giving us more precursors of strength than weakness. Because even with Monero, it came back down to the $84 area that we also mentioned on our video yesterday, but it closed above it, and now we have this bar which is back around $84 again. It might come down to these lows that occurred on 23rd and 24th, or it might even come to the one that occurred on the 21st of October, and it's around $82. Okay, so expect Monero to come at least and touch $82, but it might close above $84 just like it did on those 3 trading days. So that is one of the expectations that we're trying to see here at HueFin News, that give us more inclination that the market is giving us a change of tone into moving higher. But as of now, the market is going to be moving lower, and we're looking for it to come to those 3 trading days lows. So that's what you guys should be looking forward to. And if the market gives us precursors of strength at this price area, then we at HueFin News will be getting back into the market and get us a short-term gain as the market moves back higher for Monero. But if not, then we're staying away until we get us a precursors of strength. So that is our analysis for today. You guys can tell that all of the energy, all of the money is going into Bitcoin, and until Bitcoin gives us a change of tone, then you can expect these altcoins to continue to trade sideways to lower. We mentioned that a couple of videos ago, stating that until Bitcoin takes a break or moves lower, that these altcoins will not be moving higher, and that is coming to fruition as we speak, and that will continue to go on until Bitcoin takes a break. Okay, so that is our analysis for today. Appreciate the new subscribers, appreciate you guys who have been with us for a while. Hopefully your confidence is gaining as you guys are watching these videos, because this should be added to your repertoire of you guys trading in the cryptocurrency market, because here we are very confident in how we trade and our strategies based off of the price bars and the volume. And you guys can see and can tell in our previous videos that what we are talking about is on point and very true. That's all we have for today. You guys stay profitable, and I'll talk to you guys later.